Good afternoon, my name's David. I work for Norfolk Yacht Agency and I'm here today to take you on board and show you around this 1991 Falcon 27. She's a four-berth boat. She is powered by two Volvo AQ431 205 horsepower petrol engines through stern drives. She has got quite a bit of nav kit on her. Comes with a holding tank. That's quite a nicely spec boat. But I'm going to take you on board and give you a bit of a look around. Okay, so in the cockpit, entry to the boat is via a transom gate, which is on the starboard side of the boat. Brings us into the cockpit. Lots of sociable seating. All looks in fairly good condition. Loads of space, four or five people there at least. GRP radar arch. The canopy looks okay. Engines below these hatches. Just looking forward, I've got the helm seat and separate navigator seat. Just looking at the helm position. Nice set of instruments, again reflecting the fact that she's twin engined. Some nav kit. So again, it all looks in nice tidy order. Right, I shall take you downstairs. So entry to the saloon via a centrally mounted companionway. Takes us down into the saloon, where at the bows there's a nice big seating area. Again, 5 or 6 people could comfortably sit around there, I would have thought. This will convert to a double. Carpet's nice. On the starboard side, the galley. Storage. This is all in nice condition. Fridge, very clean down here. Storage on the port side. So heads with a shower. I had to go to a holding tank, which is convenient for the broads. On the starboard side, a cabin that runs underneath the cockpit sole, and these are the infills for the double at the front. Quite a cosy place. So very typical of these sports cruisers. It's nice and light and airy in here, helped by this screen. So my impressions of this is actually what a nicely well presented boat it is. Right, let's take you back upstairs. So just a very quick spin round for you of the cockpit. There's a VHF radio, which I didn't point out earlier on. Useful if you're going to do coastal work, which this boat is more than capable of doing. Okay, let's take you back on land. Okay, so that's our 1991 Falcon 27. As I said, powered by two Volvo 205 horsepower petrol engines through stern drives. She is a four-berth boat, comes with a holding tank. Hopefully I've been able to show you what a nice clean boat she is. She'd called Jasmara. She's lying with us here at Horning. If you'd like to come and take a look, give us a ring. We'll find a day and a time that's suitable for you to get you on board. In the meantime, there is a detailed spec on www.nya.co.uk. Any other questions in the meantime, feel free to give us a ring and we'll do what we can to help you. Many thanks for watching. My name's David. See you again.